Hi traders, it's Ben Ngoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video I want to show you guys my the last trade I took because I actually like posting these trade breakdowns. Okay, so it helps struggling traders and traders that don't really have a strategy or still struggling with their technical analysis to understand the market. So I would break down the last trade I took on my funded account, and I will show you guys my payout proof because I took this trade on Friday, and I made the withdrawal on Friday. Yeah, so I got it the next day. So MFF withdrawal is really fast. Like if you are using crypto as your payment option, I've only used crypto. Like I've never tried any other um, withdrawal means. So I don't know the speed of the rest, but for crypto, for those that actually use crypto, it's actually really fast. Like it's really fast. Like I think I got it in less than 16 hours, less than 12. Like it was really fast. Like I made a withdrawal like the day before in the evening, and I got it the next day in the morning. So that's how fast MFF withdrawal is. So I because I get some hits in my Telegram channel, and there was a time a particular trader just sent me a message on Telegram, and it was like, "Bro, you're not funded. You never show your funded account. This, that, blah blah blah. You just talk about funded accounts without I'm like, I don't really need to put everything out there. Okay, I show what's necessary, and I just really keep the rest to myself, and I have reasons for that. So I don't know what that particular trader needed. So I was trying to tell you, like, what you really need to focus on is the skill set, or the value I'm really like sharing on YouTube. You don't really need to be focused on my funded account and how much I'm making on my funded account. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's just it. Like that's not really your problem. My face is not your problem. How much I make on my funded account is not your problem. Am I making withdrawal? Do I have proof? Yes. See the style, the system in which I'm trading. Does it work well with you? Is it something you can actually adopt in your trading plan or your trading style? You understand? These are like things you need, not how much I make and stuff like that. Like you need to be. This is actually a journey where you need to focus on yourself. That's just trading, honestly, because different traders, different approach. Everyone has his own personality, and the personality is going to reflect on how you trade. Okay, so that's just what it is. So I'm going to break down this trade quickly. So I won't make the video too long. Then I'll show you guys the withdrawal proof, like the email um from MFF and all that, like the whole thing. I guess you know the whole withdrawal process. You can actually see it on your YouTube. You can actually search. You see that's for those that have never made a withdrawal. It's really easy. You go to like your dashboard, just click on the payout there, and you fill in the details, and that's just it. You get your withdrawal. So let me just break this down because it's been a while. I really posted any of these trade breakdowns. So it was Gbpjpy was the last trade I took. So let me take the price back to where it was. So price was somewhere around here. Okay. So price was somewhere around here when I got up to trade for session. Okay. So what happened? Price was here, and some traders might be seeing buy because they actually see like price rejecting, probably rejecting from this entire level here. Let me just get this out. Oops. Let me change the setting of this. A minute. Okay. So Traders might actually be like, oh, this is like a buy. They might actually be saying something like this. But personally, I was seeing sells for this because you can see price came here from this like level of resistance here, came down, then tried to close above this and it failed and it broke above this high. Then we had this bearish pressure. So what me I see in terms of structure, I see something like this. I see something like this. Oops. I'm sorry, I kind of like changed my theme for this video, so like it will be easy for those at home. So it's kind of like difficult. Um, it's kind of like I changed it from dark to settings. I changed it from dark to light. So my stops need changing. Okay, good. Okay, remove. So good. So like I said, what I see in terms of structure here is I see price going up, came down, formed like a II, break below, and we are seeing like a retest here for it to push to the downside. For it to push to the downside. This is what I see in terms of structure here. This is what I see. I low, I. This low has been violated, which was this. Then a retest for a connection in downside. So I see sells here. I wasn't even looking at buys at all. Like there was no buy for me. If I was looking to buy this, probably when price breaks above this entire level here, then probably make a retest. That's what I'm looking to buy. And I tend to take trades at significant levels, like retest levels. Those are where that's where you get liquidity and massive push. You don't really want to be taking trade when price is kind of like extended. I used to like take breakouts, but I discovered breakouts are way difficult to catch than retest. Retest are way easier. Okay. So that's just it. So this was the level I was looking at to take the sales retest. Okay. So we could see prices here. So I was looking at the 15 minutes for an entry. Okay, I was looking at 15 minutes for an entry. I was actually looking at um EJ also. So I took a break even trade on EJ. Then for this, all I'm looking at, there are rules in which I take a trade. So I was actually looking for like a new eye to be formed before I look for uh I was looking for a new eye to be formed before I take sales with the break of this low. Okay, because this is still the eye we have. Okay, if you have to take any sell, to probably be the break of this low, which will confirm the structure shift. So that's just like market structure. These are like things I talk about in my private communities. Okay, so but anyways, until this high is violated, this low isn't confirmed. This is still the low we're looking at. So I was actually looking for that, like this I like this I should be violated. And did you get that? No, I didn't think we got that. Yeah, price just kept going down and going down. Okay, good. So the moment I saw, okay, this low has been violated, we have this kind of close below here. I was like, okay, good. I could actually look for a retest around here. I could look for a retest around here. I could look for a retest around here. Okay. From this low all to this level of support here, I could actually look for a retest. Then my target would be where obviously target will be here. Okay. So get a retest for continuation to the downside, which is pretty simple. Oops. Pretty simple. Okay, it's just understanding market structure. Understanding market structure. That's just it. Understanding market structure. Because if you look at 1 hour too, you'd see like price kind of like close strongly below here on the 1 hour, which was I, low, I, and lower I, then this low as we violated, broken below. So you need to understand market structure for you to take entries like this. Okay. So which is actually like the foundation of my trading style is understanding market structure perfectly. So we didn't take any trade here because you can see this a I wasn't really formed. The I wasn't really formed here. So this low wasn't really confirmed for me. So I couldn't take a sell here. But this low was already confirmed because this has already broken this I. So I was looking for a retest for here. I didn't take this retest because I wanted the 1 hour to close first. So I took the next retest, which is about to happen now. If the this had already broken this I and the I had formed, I'd have set a sell limit. Remember this broke here, I'd have been triggered with my stop loss somewhere around here, and this would have been running in profits. But I didn't get that, so I didn't set any sell limits. Okay, I could have set a sell limit here, stop loss above here, but the range is too small. Like if I had taken that kind of trade, just take a look at the risk to reward. It's probably too bad. Just take a look at it, since 4 pips as stop loss, then this will be 1 to 1. It's not really my kind of, not my thing. So I waited for a retest on the 1 minute. So I was looking at the 1 minute for entry. So for price to good. Price already start like reacting from here. So I was waiting for this to be the low. I'll be looking at it to take sales from this low. Trying to see price break below this low before I look to take sales, take any entry. So you can see how price broke below this. Price made the retest. So I set the sell limit here. My entry was here. The stop loss above the previous structure that was formed. And my target when trading, when taking 1 minute entries, I tend to target 1 to 3. That's just my personal that's my rule. Okay. 1 to 3. Even if I know price has a high chance of trading to this next target, which is about uh, 1 to 5.8. Yeah, but no, I, I didn't take that. I took profit at about 1 to 3. That's it. I'm not expecting too much from the market, so that's just it. So I got triggered, and so yeah, that price just hit targets. I think price actually traded into that target streets. Traded there. Price traded all the way down to this target here. So that's just it. Price went straight to the target. But unfortunately, I had about 1 to 3 already secured my positions. I was actually happy, really, really happy with my profits. So after then, I think yeah, this was on Thursday. So after then, I had to make the withdrawal. Then I would show you guys now the withdrawal, and yeah, that's it. Hi traders, so you can see like this is my email. Just trying to like keep it on this page to avoid you guys seeing like any further stuff. So this is it. You can see the Ngoo payout time, and I needed to like just follow the request on the dashboard. So you can see this was on the 6th of October. So this was when I got the request to for my payouts, and I think the next I was sent, yeah, this was my payouts processed, and yeah, that's just it. I got it in about 12 hours, to be honest. Like it was really, really quick. And that's just it for those who have doubts, okay, and all that. If I'm making withdrawals from my foreign account and all that, like that's just it. Okay, the exact amount I got isn't really, I won't really post that now. I have some reasons why I'm keeping that private to myself. Okay, probably with time, I have a particular mini documentary. I don't know if it's like a documentary, like I'm just doing. So I'm trying to like don't worry, you guys should just stay tuned. For those that have been following me for a while now, just stay tuned very soon. Okay, so that's just it. And if you like this sort of content, subscribe, like, and see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye for now.